Hi everyone. Let's say you're in Australia right now, thinking about buying an electric car. You've looked at the usual options. Some are expensive, some feel overhyped, and some just don't excite you anymore. And then a new name pops up, the 2026 Deepal S05. Now the real question is, could this be the compact EV Australia has been waiting for? At first glance, the Deepal S05 looks modern without trying too hard. The front end is sharp, clean and futuristic. Slim LED headlights, a smooth fascia, and a confident stance. It doesn't scream for attention, it earns it quietly. And sometimes that's even better. Move to the side profile and you immediately notice the compact proportions. This isn't a giant SUV. It's sized perfectly for city life. Parking in tight urban streets? Much easier. Daily commuting? Stress-free. The body lines are smooth and simple, but not boring. There's a subtle premium vibe to it, especially when you see it from a slightly elevated angle with the doors open. It feels thoughtfully designed. Now let's step inside, because this is where things get interesting. Since this is expected to come in Australian specification, we're talking right-hand drive. Steering wheel on the right, digital cluster in front of you, and a large infotainment screen sitting cleanly in the center. The dashboard layout is minimal. Fewer buttons, cleaner design, more screen-focused technology. It gives you that futuristic EV feeling without being overwhelming. Ambient lighting adds a modern touch, and the overall cabin looks like a place you'd actually enjoy spending time in during traffic. But here's what really matters. Where does the Deepal S05 stand in the market? The biggest potential advantage of this car could be its pricing. If Deepal positions it as an affordable compact EV, it might attract buyers who want to enter the electric world without spending premium brand money. Not too big, not too basic, just balanced. Performance-wise, expectations are centered around smooth electric acceleration and practical driving range, especially for urban use. This isn't meant to be a track car. It's built for everyday life. Commutes, school runs, weekend city drives. And let's be honest, the Australian EV market is changing. People don't just want large electric SUVs anymore. There's growing interest in compact, efficient, stylish electric cars, and the Deepal S05 might be arriving at exactly the right time. Of course, final judgment comes after official launch and real-world testing. Specs, pricing, and features will ultimately decide its success, but for now, it's definitely one to watch. So, what do you think? Would you wait for the 2026 Deepal S05? Or are you already set on another EV? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. If you enjoyed this kind of upcoming car content, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future updates. I'll see you in the next one.